Good morning, everybody. It's gonna be an awesome day today. A little something different. We all like to go out exploring, hiking, and doing new things in the outdoors. So I thought I'd do something new today with a new toy that I have picked up. This is gonna be awesome. So come with me. Let's check out our new toy. We're heading to Willow Beach, which is a very cool fishing location. Right here they have a trout hatchery on the Arizona side of the Hoover Dam, and they started 2 years ago, I think it was 3 years ago, releasing trout again into the Colorado River, into the Mojave, Lake Mojave side of the dam, which is the south side of the Hoover Dam. But they started releasing about 1,000 trout every Friday into this area, and the striper bass just get huge coming in to catch these things. And that's where we're headed. Let's go have some fun. Let's catch some fish, or at least attempt to. Let's try out our new toy. Let's explore. See new things, try new things. Let's go have some fun. Yoo-hoo! Sun is slowly coming up. It's calling for 40% chance of thunderstorms and scattered showers. So it could be an eventful day. Very beautiful out here for sure. Alright, we turned off the main highway, which was up there, and now we are on the Willow Beach Road that goes all the way down to the water. It's about a 5-mile just twist and turn road going all the way down to the lake, and which equates to about a 30-minute drive. It's gonna be very cool. So let's see you there. See you there. There's warning signs all over when you're coming into here that says, warning, do not approach these roads during thunderstorms, flash flood areas. And you could see why, is this road is basically in between the canyon, which is where all the water runoff would build up. And you can see this area is all washed out from the flash floods going through here. So yeah, definitely, during a flash flood, you definitely want to stay out of these areas. And there is Willow Beach. Very cool. Designated paddlecraft retrieval and launch site. I don't have a paddlecraft, but I have something similar. Sweet. Alright, let's go drive around and see where we're gonna call it a day. Alright, so here's the hatchery. We're all the way in to Willow Beach. This is where I like to start my day. You cannot go inside that area. So says the sign posted there. Area closed. But I think this is gonna be a good spot. to go ahead and launch our new toy. The problem I'm gonna have is I'm gonna go around that way and upriver. When I come back, is this spot gonna be available to dock, or is it gonna be loaded with people fishing from shore? Otherwise, I have to continue going upriver all the way around the boat ranch, or boat ramp, launch ramp. So let's see. I think that's the plan though. We'll start off here. And if we're lucky, we get to dock here. If not, we go all the way back upriver, pull the boat up on shore, and then we gotta walk all the way around to our vehicle. All right, let's get started on our Willow Beach fishing trip. All right, so far so good. It's a 10.5 foot long basically blow up raft, but this is a little bit more high end. 3 layers of PVC plastic, or actually 2 layers, and then 1 layer of carbon fiber on the inside for the extra durability. It comes with these really hard slats that you insert, roll it out and put it in before you blow the raft up, and then some pillows that you insert when it's about 75% inflated, and then when you insert them, inflate everything the rest of the way, they lock themselves in place. And it's got the oars, I got a motor mount, and a really cool 50 thrust trolling motor. And then we're gonna jump on the lake, see if we can catch some goodies. All right, took about an hour or so, just over an hour to get her all blown up, loaded up. So let's go ahead, take our new toy and head upriver. See what cool locations we can find today. It's supposed to be a pretty nice day today, besides the in Vegas here, when they say 50% chance of thunderstorms, they might as well say 0 chance of thunderstorms, because when they have no rain in the forecast, it rains out here. They say 50% chance of rain. You can't bother planning your vacations or your trips based on that, because they are hardly ever right. It's ridiculous what our weathermen forecast, what they get paid to do, and how little often they are right with all the technology they have. This is so cool out on the lake on my little raft. Actually, little raft. When I blew this thing up in the living room to give it a 24-hour inflation to see if it has any leaks or anything, my wife says, "Oh my God, that's too big." I was like, "What are you talking about, too big? It's not big enough." It's gonna be an awesome day. And that's the trout hatchery right there. Like I said, every Friday they put 1,000 trout into this huge Lake Mojave, which is the south side of the Hoover Dam. So we are gonna head up into these areas right over here. I'm gonna anchor off a little ways from those bushes, get my line set up, and then start some casts. See if I can pull anything out of those areas there. Amazing day. One thing I remember about coming out here to go fishing is the peace and quiet. But now we have all these freaking canoe tours of the river. So we got this huge group here. We have another huge group upriver. And we have another huge group coming towards us. It's just like loud
group of people after loud group of people. Like, my God, you guys just ruined the nature experience on the lake. Just can't even go to the lake to get peace and quiet, man. But it's still absolutely beautiful. Well, a little bit of a breeze picked up, not too much. You can see a little bit of movement on the water. So clouds are starting to come in a little bit. So I'm about 2 miles from where I launched at. Heading north up on the river towards the dam. So I kind of turned around and just head back a little ways. If the winds do pick up and it starts to get really stormy, I'd rather be closer to where I docked instead of further away. So I'm just heading back upriver. I've been fishing, so far I've been trolling with some power bait and just casting some spinners, some rooster tails. Haven't gotten any bites. I've been seeing a lot of splashing around, a lot of activity. Today, not so much to catch anything, but to take the new toy out for a test ride. So far, I love it. Absolutely beautiful out here. Absolutely beautiful. All right. Making good progress. See shoreline going by at a decent click. Sorry about the wind, but yeah, it is getting windy and a little bit choppy out here on the river. So we're working our way back in slowly, and I'm in third speed. So this little 50 thrust motor, woohoo! It'll give us a good little wake behind this boat, which is pretty cool. A little blow-up raft creating a wake. You can ski behind this thing. Yeehaw! I like it. So cool. But let's not deplete the battery too fast. So let's kick it back down to third speed. So this has 5 forward speeds and 3 reverse speeds. It does what I need it to do for out here. Just amazing. We're headed to this next group of kayakers. Let's split them down the middle. That's my plan. All right. Check this out. So the wind calmed down. You can see the current slowed up. It's not as choppy. I pulled into this little cove to just fish in it. See what it might produce. And you can really see how clear the water is here. But check this out. This is what I'm showing you right here. Look at the eagle right there. Look at that guy. Huge eagle. Trying to get it to flap its wings or move or something. But that's so cool. You see all these white areas on the rock, all that poop. That's where these eagles just kind of chill. And they got a good overlook of this crystal clear water. Just amazing. So I figured the signs are telling me if the eagles and birds of prey are chilling out right here to get an overview for when they can come get some lunch, then maybe I should try fishing in this spot for a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's get some casts in. See if we can catch anything. I realized earlier, ooh, another one landed up here. I realized earlier I referred to this guy over here, right there in the middle of the screen, as an eagle. But no, these guys are vultures. Huge. Huge. Let's make some noise, see if I can get him to fly. Ow! Woo! They ain't afraid of nothing. Bird of prey. Just they're waiting for something down below that they can swoop down on. All right. Let's keep on trying to catch something. Well, guys, that's it for today at Willow Beach. We got the Grand Canyon helicopter tours, taking their parties back to the strip where they left for this trip. My new toy worked out great, and I hate the stupid saying it's called fishing, not catching. I got skunked this time, but there will be a next time. Willow Beach, I'm gonna miss you. You're very beautiful. It's time to say goodbye. Head back to Vegas. Got a 3-day work week ahead of me. And then back to the outdoors for the weekend. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like my videos, comment. Great outdoors.